extra for a fruit cup before we left the house.
I had not an extra fruit cup. I had extra a plate, not a full
plate.
plate.
Yeah, and you had an extra plate of food.
What did I have a fruit cup? How did I have a fruit cup?
You were eating some fruit cup something before we left.
Really? I did not eat no fruit cup. I don't know what you're talking about. Fruit cup. Alright, extra fruit cup. Nobody had no extra fruit cup.
Kennington Park Post Office.
Nobody had no extra fruit cup. Nobody had no extra fruit cup. Let's do the thing together. No, 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 no. No, 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 no. No, 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 no. No, no, no. Yeah, you know what? All these things will be detritus.